Look how guy give guy stamina. Yeah man, respect to the max. Every time.
This is the way to eat lobster, man. On the beach in Negril. Eat that bloody bag.
That's the rich man. Welcome back to the nature office.
The nature office.
Yeah, and this is Nicholas, the fisherman. I'm just coming in.
Alright.
Peace and love, Rasta Rich.
Alright, Nicholas, man. Respect. What kind of fish are those?
Moonshine fish.
Moonshine.
I'm going off to work. That's staying in, you know. We capture it and carry up and back.
This is good. This is the best meal I've had since I've been here right now. Oh man. Look at this. Will you look at that? It's so good. It's just, this is something I gotta do every day now. Don't forget nobody have a white man here. Go you push for that way and then me stop because I say to him I cannot go very far because it's water. And I did have on my shoes and then